Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Wonderful, thank you. How are
Yes,
you?
hi. I am Gavin from the Chaga Company, and today we are with Akiko. We are making what? Quinoa salad?
Quinoa salad. I already pre-cooked it. Quinoa and wild rice.
This is quinoa, and it's an ancient grain, right?
Yes, it's an edible seed.
It's an edible seed, full of fiber, I presume.
Yes, full of nutrition.
Ooh.
And serves like nutty flavor, crunchiness.
And it's so pretty. It has that amber color with like these
Exactly.
little rings like Saturn and stuff. It's so good.
Just to add a little more crunchiness, I can add a little bit of wild rice, mixed wild rice, black rice, brown rice, long grain, red rice.
Oh wow. So is the ratio 1-to-1 between quinoa and the wild rice, or?
I would put a little bit less on it rice.
Okay, more quinoa, less rice.
Yeah.
Okay, we like
rice
quinoa.
is kind of just part of it. So main thing is quinoa.
Uh-huh.
Then rice is actually, you can think of the condiments as everything else.
Okay. And in our condiments?
So I have kale, persimmon, red pepper, red bell pepper, cilantro, parsley, cucumber, and red onion.
Okay.
I chopped it up very small.
Mm-hmm.
And I also have a chopped parsley that's gonna go into
Okay.
the side,
So it's just all mix.
Pretty much.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's gonna be full of burst of colors too. And it's very nutritious. Wow.
You know, traditionally, they use raisin.
Raisin? Oh,
Yeah.
yes, I don't do raisins that well. It's a personal preference. I never liked raisins. They gave me the best raisins in the world, and I said no. I tried it though. It was just not my thing. So thank you, Akiko. Oh, cucumber, look, it's gorgeous.
So,
look at the plain color.
Around, salt.
And this is our Chaga sea salt, right?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. That's coming out in February. You can pre-order now on our website at www.thechagaco.com. Oh, pretty good amount of our Chaga mushroom elixir.
Smack. It's a Mediterranean spice.
And look how pretty the color. It's purple.
Would you like to try?
Brown pepper.
Tiny bit of honey.
Oh, very tiny.
Yeah, just really tiny. Then olive oil, just enough to coat.
Ah, nice.
This I'm gonna measure it.
Oh, that's like around 3 tablespoons of.
Yeah, but I gotta go eyeball it.
Oh, okay. So it's more like a preference of taste from here on out. And this is champagne.
Champagne balsamic vinegar.
Oh, delicious.
So it has all the nutrition, and then the chaga salt and the chaga powder.
Take off the seeds.
Finish it.
Oh.
Fresh lemon juice.
Yeah.
Actually, I foraged it from Napa Valley. I hope you like it.
This is my first time trying a wild rice quinoa salad with chaga and persimmons. No raisins.
It's very original because there's no raisins. Really, traditionally, everybody uses raisins.
Well, I'm gonna get a nice little plate for myself here. Wow.
So,
Delish. This looks so amazing. The colors, the play, it's spectacular. So good.
So that's quinoa salad. It's part of the dinner course menu that we're about to do.
Oh my god. Okay.
You buying it? No raisin?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Anything missing from there?
Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. The sweetness, the green numbers are delicious. Mm. The persimmons. Mm.
Imagine if that is a raisin.
I am imagining it's full of persimmon. Thank you so much. This has been amazing.
Persimmon is a very good substitute for the raisin, I think.
Persimmon Chaga Quinoa Salad by Akiko. Thank you so much. Okay.